Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm drinking so much carbonation. It's not fair for you to be like, don't do that. That was a solid burp. Thank you. It's like drinking glasses of Coke quickly. Fuck. I was there. Caleb was there.